I gotta say, these Swiss were some sneaky motherfuckers. Within minutes, he had me set up with a forger who could fake Aunt Emma's signature.
You're not making shit.
I just had to get there by tomorrow. We'll lose $20 million.
We're going to Monaco!
Monaco?
Yes.
Now?
Yes, babe, we're going to Monaco, so then we can go to Switzerland, okay?
But her aunt just died.
I realize that, but I have business in Switzerland. I need to go to Switzerland right now. Bottom line. Sorry, be business in.
We gotta get to London.
Why? Why?
The funeral?
Yeah, babe, look. I loved your aunt more than anyone in the entire world. I really did. But she's dead now, sweetie. She's dead, and she's not going anywhere. She'll still be dead by the time we get to London, okay? Captain Ted, all right, look, we're going to Monaco now, okay?
Monaco, right.
We're going to Monaco so then we can drive to Switzerland so they don't stamp our passports, take care of business here. We'll drive back to Monaco, take a flight over to London to catch the funeral, be in New York in 3 fucking business days. That's the fucking plan.
I want to let you know there, we might run into some chop.
Chop? We could fucking handle chop, right? I mean, it's a 170-foot yacht.
No, we're not going anywhere unless he says it's safe, all right?
It's safe.
Don't worry about
It's
the
safe.
chop. You don't know shit about chop.
Oh, really? And you do? You're a fucking expert on
I'll chop your fucking credit card in half. How about that?
Chop is fine,
like to
trust
see
me.
you try.
Chop is fine. Is Chop fine, Captain Ted?
Yeah, I mean, if we take it slow.
Yeah, we're gonna take it slow. It's a little uncomfortable. But tell him it's safe.
It's gonna be
fine.
safe because we'll batten down the hatches and secure the deck, and we're looking at maybe a few broken dishes.
A few broken dishes? What's a few broken dishes? Does that sound fucking awesome or what? Huh?
No, not really.
Right, we're gonna have a fucking good time. Let's go to fucking Monaco now, huh? Let's fucking move. Let's go. Get! Hold on! What the fuck is going on out here? The jet skis just went overboard! Oh, Jesus Christ, honey, you okay? Yeah, I love you. The waves are 20 feet high in buildings! Turn around, let's go the other fucking way! We can't! No! We'll get broadsided and tip over! I am a master diver, you hear that? I'm a master diver, no one's gonna fucking die! I got you, dude. I got you, trust me, okay? I love you. I love you. Just hold on tight. Honey. Hold on, baby. Honey. Danny!
What?
Hold on, baby.
I don't want to die, Jordan! I did a lot of bad shit. I'm going to hell, Jordan! Fucked up. I fucked up so bad.
Get the nudes downstairs.
What are you saying?
Get the nudes.
I can't go down there. It's flooded. It's 3 feet of water down there.
I will not die sober. Get those fucking loads.
Okay.
Go.
Okay.
Where's he going?
No, baby.
Donnie! What is he fucking crazy?
No, baby.
Jesus.
Hold on! Get away from the window! Move, please! Hey, it's Captain Ted Pizza aboard the yacht Naomi! We're going down!
I got him. I got him.
Good man! Don't worry about it. Just
For the nerve this guy's right now.
This is a fucking mayday!
The nice thing about getting rescued by Italians is that they feed you, make you drink red wine, then you get to dance. Did you see that? That was the plane I sent to come get us. I shit you not, it exploded when a seagull flew into the engine. 3 people killed. You want a sign from God? After all this, I finally got the message.